Hello, this is a reality test of International English Language Testing System powered by IDP to assess the level of the candidate. My name is Suman and I am here to conduct the speaking of candidate number 110917 and name Gursimran Kaur. So shall I start?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what's your full name?
My full name is Gursimran Kaur.
Okay, where are you from?
I'm a native of countryside, which comes in the district of Namakshar, and this is the various amenities provided to individuals such as education, hospital facilities, and many more.
Okay. Do you work or study?
Recently, I have completed my senior secondary education from Canberra International, which is located in Namakshar, and I have two type of plans for long term and short term. The short term is related to go for abroad for my higher study, and the long term is to become a chartered accountant in the future.
Sorry. Let's talk about science class. Do you like science?
As I'm a student of commerce so I don't have more interest in science. Whenever I was a student of a primary study, whenever I was learning the science related to the brains or the human part.
Do you think it's important to study science?
Well, according to my point, science is very important for the offsprings to learn about the environment.
What kind of science did you learn at school?
As I would earlier say that when I was a minor and I was studying in the primary secondary schools, I was learning about the body parts of the human beings or the animals.
Okay. So this is the end of part 1. Now for part 2, here is the card with some questions. You will have a minute to look at the questions and you need to speak for 2 minutes on the topic of card. If you wish, you can use this notepad and pencil to make some notes. Your cue card is: describe a work or sport you have done as a team. What work sport did you do? Who all were with you? When did you do it? And how did you feel doing a team activity? Now you can
Teamwork helps individuals to gaining the skills them in every type of fields. I have talked about the work that I was done in a teamwork is related to my studies. When I was studying in the 12th grade in the secondary education schools in Cambridge, and it's about the science projects for the students who are unable to maintain their skills in science related to their body parts. They are unable to which body part is necessary for the humans in digesting their food, and in that my friends also were there, and my one teachers are included in this teamwork. And moreover, in this we have done the variety of things. We have learned so many things like inspirations, how to cooperate with others, how to apply with their team members, how to gain skills from other, like communication skills with them. Also, after that, we also exchange our ideas, which is very important for individuals, and also helps individuals to how to be gain their skills in every field. So apart from that, we have done it that about the November 6th in last year when I was studying the 12th grade with my classmates. It was a good experience for me when I was succeed first positions in that competitions, and my team members also feel very felt and related at that time when we have gone to the stage for prize. At that time we are very enthusiasm at that time. After that, my teachers also paid for us as also for team members, and my family also very good for me, and it's also precious moment for me because I have achieved first prize in that in my life, all in one. And also we have done the variety of things into the, but it is the best teamwork for me because in this my team members are very cooperative with me, and they are very doing some very good things in project work.
Stop. Let's move to the next part 3. Let's talk about team activities. Are team activities popular in your community around you?
Pardon please?
Are team activities popular in your community around you?
Definitely, team activities are very important where I will live in where I live in. So team activity helps individuals to gaining the skills, help them how to cooperate with everyone. For example, last year my nephew has done the teamwork in their society related to the cleanliness of society, and there's the 15 members involved in by doing teamwork. They have done the cleanup of the society in very well manner.
What kind of qualities can you learn in a team?
Well, we have either learned the cooperation, or either we have collaborations with by doing the teamwork. We also exchange our ideas in well manner with other persons. We can also gain some skills from the other persons, like how to be study in good time or morning or evening.
Do you think team leaders are important in a team?
So it's important for some extent. If we talk about the team leaders are important in the teamwork, then they are created discriminations, and there should be chances of conflict in the team members. If we talk about the team members are necessary, it is necessary if team members have some experience into the leadership. For example, last year I have done the project work in the schools. In this, my team member was very well experienced in doing the project work, how to exchange his ideas in well manner with the other persons.
Why do you think sports teams perform so well?
Pardon, please?
Why do you think sports teams perform so well?
According to my point, sports has been going so developed nowadays because individuals taking too much part in sports activity because they think that they have a bright future in the sports activity, and they have also good physical health related to their health in their life.
Okay. Do you think employees are motivated better by team activities than doing it themselves?
Well, according to my point, sir, the both points are benefits according to their some situations. When we talk about the teamwork, so important for themselves. When the individual doing the work in their, that they get them opportunity to find their weakness in the alone time. They get spend the time in there by doing their own work. When we talk about the when we talk about the work with the leadership or a teamwork, in this the individual can exchange their ideas as I'm told you earlier. So in this they can also learn some new things with their other peoples.
Okay. So this is the end of your speaking test. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, ma'am.